Hi guys, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this. It's mini figure Lego friendly, and it's one of them treadmill things, or it can be a lawnmower, whichever one you want. And here's the pieces that you need. Just give me a minute. It takes a while to take apart. You're going to need two of these. One of these. And one of these. Then you're going to need two wheels, which can come in a set, and you're going to need this little piece right here. Here's what you need to do. Take the two wheels, connect them to this thing, take this, connect it to right here. It doesn't matter which spot, it really doesn't. And then take one of these pieces and stick it on to that piece. Then take this and put it right on there. And take another one of them T-shaped pieces and stick them on there. And that is how you make a powered treadmill or a lawnmower.